Hi friends, this is 5 Tech YouTube channel. Here is Honor 6X smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do hard reset or factory data reset my phone Honor 6X. First of all, switch off your phone. Just long press this power button and click on power off. Wait few seconds. Now you have to press power button and volume up button together. Just press power button and volume up button together to initiate hard reset. Hold these two buttons for few seconds until Honor logo appears, and then you have to release power button only and keep on pressing the volume up button, and hard reset menu will appear now. Yes, here you have to select wipe data factory reset, second option, and here click on confirm. Yes, yes, wiping data is going on. Yes, it's completed successfully. Now you have to restart your phone. For that, click the first option and your phone will be restarted. Wait few seconds to few minutes, and here just follow the on-screen instructions. Set up your phone. Just follow the on-screen instructions. You can skip this network connection. If you have any Wi-Fi, you can connect it here. Otherwise, you can just neglect it and skip this step. And here accept the terms and conditions from Google. You can skip this step too. You can later set your fingerprint, face unlock, etc. Yes, setup is completed and now you can use your phone. So in this way you can easily do hard reset or factory data reset on your phone Honor 6X. Bye.